Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to type in Japanese on Windows 11 step by step, so you can start writing in Japanese easily. Step 1. Open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon on the bottom left of your screen. Then type Settings into the search bar and click on it. This will open the main settings window where you can manage your system preferences. Step 2. On the left-hand side of the settings window, click Time and Language. This section allows you to adjust language, region, and date settings on your computer. Step 3. Click Language and Region. Here you can see your current language settings and add new languages for typing or display. Step 4. Click Add a Language. This option lets you install additional languages to use on your keyboard or set as your display language. Step 5. In the search box, type Japanese and click on it. This will select Japanese as the language you want to add to your system. Step 6. Click Next to continue. This will show optional features that can be installed along with the language, like handwriting or speech support. Step 7. Choose any optional language features you want to install, or leave them unticked if you don't need them. This helps customize your Japanese typing experience. Step 8. Click Install to add the Japanese language to your computer. The system will now download and set up the necessary files. Step 9. Once the installation is complete, click on the Taskbar language icon to switch your keyboard to Japanese. This allows you to type in Japanese whenever you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.